Yeah, are you ready with your social HW book and pencil eraser? Yeah, let's start. This is another revision worksheet for lesson number 1. Totally all the bits, everything, true or false, everything will be there in this. If you are practicing this worksheet, you will get good marks. Okay? No need of textbook, notebook, everything will be there. Okay? All the bits I included in this, just for this. What is the first Roman? Match the following. Students, again I am saying, if you are having printers, take out the printouts and complete, otherwise write in social HW. Many are asking again and again. If your parents are accepting to take out printouts, please take out the printouts and practice many times, no problem. If your parents are not accepting for that, please complete in social HW book. Just write down the headings and complete this. Okay. First one, what is this matching? Always you have to read right side. Right side you have to read and match it with left side. What is the first one? Natural satellite. What is the natural satellite of the Earth? Yes, it's moon. Once remember children, I am sending the empty one also. If you want to take out printouts, take out printouts, no problem. Okay, I am sending the empty one also and filled one also. Next, constellation. Which is constellation in this? Venus, heat and light, moon, Great Bear. Yes, Great Bear is a constellation. Next, here numbers we should write, no? Here number 3. In the first bracket, number 3. Constellation number 4. Next, brightest star in the night sky, Sirius. What is the number? It's 5. Please mention the numbers here. Don't write here ABCDs. Next, planet. What is the planet in this? Yes, Venus is a planet. Don't confuse, I am writing like this. Okay, I am drawing this one. No? Now 1. Next, sun. What the sun is giving for us? Yes, it gives us heat and light. Okay, number 2. Okay, everybody complete like this. Now coming to the next Roman, blanks. Here I mentioned all the answers here. Just you should pick up and arrange. Pick the answers and arrange in the blanks. Okay, everybody please read along with me. First one, the planets, the stars, the moon and the sun are called. What are these all called? Those are called heavenly bodies. Tick that. Tick cheskuntu raval one by one. Okay? Yeah, heavenly bodies. Spelling HEAVENLY. Heavenly bodies. 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 Okay? Next one. One answer completed. Next, the dash is at the center of the solar system. Who is there at the center of the solar system? I said many times. Who is there? Yes, the sun. Yes, tick the correct answer and write down S capital. Here S capital, SUN, sun. Next, plants make food by using what? Yes, sunlight they will use and they will prepare a food. That is called photosynthesis. SUN, sun, LIGHT, light. Please everybody mention neat handwriting. Please write with neat handwriting. Use pencil only. Okay. Next, dash energy means the energy we get from the sun. Which energy we are getting from the sun? That is called solar energetic. The answer. Here answer is there. S capital. It's a starting letter. S capital SOLAR. Solar energy. Next, the moon is the closest neighbor of what? The moon is the closest neighbor of Earth. It's the correct answer. Where is Earth spelling? Here. Take that. EARTH. Earth. E capital EARTH. Earth. Next. The Earth's natural satellite. Which is Earth's natural satellite? It's the moon. Moon is the natural satellite. It is always moving around the planet of Earth. Okay. Moon. M capital MOON. Moon. Next. The moon surface has many big holes are called. What are the big holes on the moon are called? Craters. CRA. Here answer is there here. CRATERS. Craters. Okay. All the spellings you have to memorize and practice well. Okay. In 1969, Dash and Edwin Aldrin became the first people to land on the moon. Who are the two persons? One is Neil Armstrong and another one is Edwin Aldrin. Take that, Neil Armstrong. Write properly. First letter capital. NEIL. Neil. ARMSTRONG. Write with neat handwriting, children. Next. Stars form patterns in the sky are called. What are the group of stars? are called? Those are called constellations. A group of stars like pattern, these are called constellation. Here answer. C capital CONSTELLATIONS, constellations. Next, dash is the nearest planet to the sun. Which is the very nearest planet to the sun? First planet? Yes, it's Mercury. Here is the answer. M capital MERCURY, Mercury. Okay. Now turn the page, and here I have given the true or false. Everything will be there in this. If you practice well, you will get the 40 out of 40. Okay. The earth is an important source of energy. Is it true or false? The earth is an important source of energy. Who are giving energy for us? The earth or sun? The sun. That's what it is. False. F, write down. Next. The moon moves around the earth. The moon moves around the earth. The moon is a satellite. It moving around the planet. Is it correct? Yes. Our earth is a planet. That's what it is true. Always this moon is a satellite. Satellites are moving around the planets. Okay. The stars are huge big balls of gases. Yes. The stars are having their own heat and light, and also these are the huge balls of gases. True. Next. The sun is smaller than the earth. The sun is smaller than the earth. Earth kante sun chala chinnananta. Avuna? No, it's wrong. That's what it is. False. Next. Planets move around the sun. Planets move around the sun. Yes, it's true. All the planets are moving around the sun. Next, the Great Bear also called as Scorpius. Great Bear is also known as Scorpius? No, the Great Bear is also called as Ursa Major. It's wrong. That's what false. Scorpius is another one. Okay. Jupiter is the largest planet. What is the largest planet in the solar system? Yes, it's Jupiter only. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It's true. Solar energy is used to light up streets at night. Is it correct? Yes, by using the solar energy, we are converting that energy into electricity and we are using for the street lights. Okay, it's true. Here I have given just a drawing of the solar system. You will enjoy now. Just draw the solar system and practice very well and write down the planets' names and the sun and the 8 planets' names and color it and enjoy. Okay, na? Please today you have to complete this worksheet 1 in your social HW or take out printouts and complete. Okay, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.